What's the difference between a reboot and a factory reset on your Maruti Suzuki SmartPlay system? A reboot is a simple restart, like turning your computer off and on. Hold the power button for 5 to 10 seconds, or disconnect the car battery for 10 minutes. This clears temporary memory and fixes minor freezes without losing any data like your saved contacts or settings. A factory reset, on the other hand, restores the system to its original state, erasing all your personal data and settings. It's a last resort for persistent issues like unresponsive apps or major software glitches. You can usually access it via Settings, System, Reset, Factory Reset. Be aware that it requires a PIN, often 000, or a vehicle-specific code. Always back up your contacts before performing a factory reset to avoid data loss, as Maruti Suzuki has issued advisories about potential data loss during this process. As of Q3 2025, users have reported 30% fewer reset-related issues after OTA updates were released. If you are experiencing issues, check to make sure your device is up to date. Many SmartPlay problems, especially Bluetooth and navigation glitches, can be resolved without resorting to a full factory reset. For Bluetooth issues like pairing failures, try forgetting the device on both your phone and the SmartPlay system, then repairing. Also, ensure your SmartPlay firmware is up to date. For navigation problems such as GPS drift or inaccurate maps, first try recalibrating the GPS within the settings menu. If that doesn't work, check for map updates. As of 2025, Maruti partners with Google Maps and HERE technologies for real-time traffic data. If these steps fail, a partial reset to clear the cache might help, as demonstrated by independent mechanics. Remember, frequent reboots can potentially cause hardware wear, so professional checks every 6 months are recommended. Always explore simpler solutions before opting for a factory reset to minimize data loss and potential complications.